Coach, baka umiyak ka.
Message sa kanya.
We wanna say thank you so much for making us winners.
Yeah.
Other than that,
Sa'yo to, sa'yo
grabe
to.
yung vision and yung storytelling ni Coach Angel. Because hindi siya madali na gumawa ng story within a minute and a half na i-establish yung brotherhood namin, tapos bigla na lang may conflict na ay kailangan umalis si kuya, ganito ganyan. So sobrang hirap niyang gawin in under a minute and a half. And then Coach Angel did an amazing job.
Ako, from the very start, gusto ko talaga magpasalamat kay Coach kasi sobrang hands-on niya talaga.
Yes,
Sa rehearsal namin, walang mintis as in, sobrang hands-on niya. Kapag pinapanood niya kami, tapos after nun, mag-iisip pa talaga siya kung ano yung mas better, kung ano yung mas kaya namin gawin.
Yes.
Kung yung alam niyang strength namin, parang dun din siya naka-base eh. So parang, ayun, sobrang nagtitiwala siya sa amin and thank you so much, Coach,
Thank you.
for
Parang
trusting
natouch dun
us.
si
Kasi si Coach. Coach, syempre,
Siya yung
Coach, message
umiyak.
sa duo.
Message ko, yun nga, again, I'm proud of you guys. I know it's out of your comfort zone to dance a piece like that, to dance something na hindi upbeat. Usually
Yes po,
kasi
yes.
we're very used to dancing, high energy. This one, even if it was out of your comfort zone, you made it comforting to watch.
Thank you
So
po.
good job.
Thank you.